traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, August 5th, and I'm going to be analyzing the Euro Yen, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So on the Euro Yen, I'm definitely still looking at this as a 1, 2, and wave 3. I still think this is a wave 4, and most place for a wave A of 4 to end is around the low of the previous swing. So I think we have a little bit more downside potential before we actually see a wave B and probably eventually a wave C. I definitely am still looking at this as a wave 4, and I do think this wave 4 is probably going to take us all the way into the spring of 2025. So going down to the weekly time frame, this is definitely all one downtrend, still only a wave A, and I still think the most likely place for it to end is around this low right here. So we still have more downside potential, I believe. So we're going to continue to look for shorts. Going down to the daily time frame, there's no doubt in my mind that we're in a wave 3 of this trend right now. There is no way that this thing's just going to turn up. Even if it does start a pullback, which I'm not even really convinced it's going to yet, I bet it's going to go down even more. But even when it does start a pullback, I almost guarantee it's going to be a wave 4, and then we're probably going to need a wave 5 before we even think about breaking structure. And this is probably only a wave A of a much, much bigger trend on the higher time frames. So heading down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, if you would have been doing nothing but looking for shorts at the end of every single pullback, you would see some significant increases in your trading account. And guess what I'm doing? I'm not going short right now, but if and when it makes a pullback, I definitely will be going short again for the continuation of this downtrend. Going down to the 1 hour time frame, like I said, I definitely wouldn't go short now. I'm looking for 1, 2, 3 waves up, 1, 2, 3 waves up. Even way back here, 1, 2, 3 waves up, 1, 2, 3 waves up to go short again for the continuation of the downtrend. So I definitely wouldn't try to go short right now, but when and if it does make a pullback, that's where I'm going to be looking to go short again for the continuation of the downtrend. I am only looking for shorts, and I'm only looking to go short at the end of three-way pullbacks on these shorter time frames. So, don't forget to join my free Discord group, which is linked down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.